Here are 4 ways that you can put medicines in your eye. My name is Virginia and I'm a pharmacist registered in the UK. The first way is your classic eye drop. So this comes in a bottle with a lid that you take off, and you usually have to use the dropper and it will drop some eye drops into your eye. So you have to take off any glasses, and whether or not eye drops are good with your contacts, you need to ask your doctor or ask your pharmacist. And then you just open your lower eyelid and then you get the eye drop and you drop it into your lower eyelid. It can be easier to do this if you're in front of a mirror and you're not usually putting eye drops in your eye all the time. So I would recommend opening your lower eyelid after you wash your hands and then just dropping the eye drop in your eye, and then close your eye to keep the eye drop in your eye and then blink a few times. If you do, like I have, start to find that some of the eye drop has gone out of your eye, you can just wipe it across your eye just to wipe any excess, any extra away. Then you've also got this type of eye drop, which is like a clicker, and you have to use it like this. So you press the back and it just pops one drop out. And again, the same thing, you just open your lower eyelid and you click it and close your eye, blink a few times looking upwards. And this one is actually much easier to use. So this is like I call it a clicker dispenser eye drop, because you don't need to squeeze it, you just push it. But if you find it too difficult to squeeze an eye drop like this one or to push an eye drop like this one, then there are sprays. So with a spray, you just close your eyes and then spray it on your face like this. And then when you open your eyes, you can blink a few times and the contents of the eye spray will go into your eye. Sometimes you might find that you'll get ampules like this. So they're like disposable little plastic pods, and you just twist the top off like this. And when you twist the top off, then you can squeeze the bottle, and these are really easy to squeeze. They're much softer than a eyedropper bottle like this. So this plastic is much harder, this plastic is much thinner, and these are single use. So once you open them, you just drop them into your eye and then you throw it away. So sometimes there'll be extra inside that you should throw away. You shouldn't keep these single-use plastic eye drops for longer than after you've opened them. Usually you'll get them connected to each other like this. So just for demonstration purposes, these are just saline ampules, so that's salt water. But usually when you get eye drop ampules, they'll be much smaller and they'll be about the size of maybe your finger, and you just use them once and then you throw them away. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.